what are tokens? So this is a concept that you are going to find very frequently when you are around LLMs or LLM applications. And sometimes it's a little bit confusing because it doesn't mean exactly the same that you can expect in other different scenarios. So just in a very plain way, tokens are like the atoms of the LLMs. So instead of using words as a unit, in the LLMs we use tokens. Tokens are smaller pieces. So usually one word is composed by many tokens, right? In some cases, if the word is very small, it may be just one token, but usually one word is two or three tokens altogether. And it is important for us because token is the unit that LLMs use in order to define the context window limitation. If you remember in a previous chapter, we talked about the context window in the LLMs. This is a very important concept because it's the limitation, the size limitation that the LLM has in order to receive information from the user. So say, for example, that you want your LLM to summarize a book. Well, a book has 80,000 words, and your LLM is only going to accept the context window 3,000 words if you are using ChatGPT. So this context window is usually not measuring words, is measuring tokens. That's why it is important for you to understand what a token is and what it has to do with the context window. Because as you know, LLM applications are a way to overcome the limitations of the context window. So token is the unit we are going to use to understand all these different things. Just a couple of ideas, more than that. Sometimes you will listen about sequences. Don't worry, sequences is just several tokens altogether. So multiple tokens form a sequence. And all the sequences of an LLM make up a vocabulary. So vocabulary is how we call all the different words that are included in the training of an LLM. Don't worry. Usually, you are not going to find vocabulary and sequences. Usually, you will find tokens as the main concept.